In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a histogram in Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Start by opening your Power BI app on your desktop and navigating to one of your existing reports. We'll build the histogram inside this report using a numeric field you want to analyze. On the right side of the screen, look for the Fields area, sometimes called the Data section. This is where all of your tables and columns live. For a histogram, we need to group a numeric column into ranges, often called bins. Find the numeric field you want to measure the distribution of, then click the three dots next to its name to open the context menu. Choose New Group. This opens a dialog where Power BI can create a bin for you. A bin is simply a range like 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, and so on. In this dialog, you can change the bin size to control how wide each range should be. If your numbers are small, a smaller bin size may reveal more detail. If they're large or very spread out, a bigger bin size keeps the chart readable. When you're happy with the bin size, click OK. Power BI will add a new field to your fields list that represents the binned version of your data. Next, move over to the Visualizations area on the right toolbar. Select the clustered column chart. While Power BI doesn't have a dedicated histogram visual by default, a clustered column chart works perfectly once we provide it with the binned field and a count. Drag the bin you just created to the x-axis well of the visual. This places each numeric range along the horizontal axis. Then drag a field to the y-axis for the count. You can use the same original numeric field or any field in the table and set its aggregation to count if needed. The goal is for the visual to display the number of rows that fall into each bin. Once that's in place, you'll see the bars fill in across your ranges, forming your histogram. If the chart looks too spiky or too flat, that's a sign the bin size may be too small or too large. You can return to the bin settings and adjust the size until the distribution tells the story you need. Also, make sure the field you're binning is truly numeric, since histograms summarize number ranges, not categories. And that's it. You've created a histogram in Power BI Desktop by binning a numeric field, selecting a clustered column chart, placing the bin on the x-axis, and using a count on the y-axis to display the distribution.